Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your Quest 3 and PC are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi network because latency matters. Install the Virtual Desktop app from the Quest Store and the Companion Streamer app on your PC. The streamer pairs your PC's GPU to the headset. Once done, enable developer mode on the Quest if the streamer prompts it. Then put on the headset and open Virtual Desktop to locate your PC in the list. Now you connect and tune the stream for performance. On the PC, run the Virtual Desktop streamer and sign into the same Meta account. This creates the secure link to your headset. In the Quest, select your PC tile and choose a refresh rate, 60 Hz for stability, 90 Hz if your network and GPU can handle it. Then adjust bitrate and resolution. Lower bitrate reduces stutter, higher resolution sharpens text. Make small changes, test a 2-3-minute session, and iterate for the best balance. Finish by launching the content you want and verifying input. Use Virtual Desktop's VR mode to start Steam VR games or launch desktop apps. Make sure controllers are tracked and input is responsive. Close heavy background apps on the PC to free resources and use an Ethernet connection for the PC if possible. If you encounter lag or stutter, restart the streamer and headset, switch to the 5 GHz band or lower bitrate, and confirm no VPN or firewall is throttling the stream. Those steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.